You need to hear this if you're a professional looking to level up. AI is not here to replace you. LinkedIn co-founder Reid Hoffman has a different take. AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to amplify us. Imagine AI as your personal assistant, making you smarter, faster, better. Hoffman believes that using AI deeply can unlock new levels of thinking, creativity, and performance. For professionals, this means embracing AI tools to stay ahead. Hoffman advises integrating AI into daily tasks for increased efficiency and innovation. Take Hoffman's own experience. He co-authored the book with AI, using it for research and refining content. He sees AI as a collaborator that can boost creativity and output quality. In the end, embracing AI as an amplifier of human intelligence can help you adapt and thrive in our tech-driven world. Time to upgrade your mind.